Welcome to Georgia, a state in the southeastern United States, a land of remarkable contrasts and extraordinary natural beauty. From the ancient peaks of the Appalachian Mountains to the sun-kissed shores of its barrier islands, Georgia's landscapes are as diverse as they are captivating. Join us now as we venture into the heart of this hidden gem, exploring its secret waterfalls, sprawling swamps, and rich tapestry of life. Our journey begins in the north, where the mighty Appalachian Mountains rise, cloaked in emerald forests. These ancient peaks, weathered by time, hold within their embrace a world of wonders. Here in the Chattahoochee National Forest, we find ourselves amidst towering trees, their branches reaching skyward. The air is alive with birdsong, a chorus of life echoing through the woods. We ascend towards Brasstown Bald, Georgia's highest peak, offering a breathtaking panorama of forested mountains. Below, the Chattahoochee River winds through the valleys, a silver ribbon glinting in the sunlight. Our descent takes us past Amikalola Falls, a cascade of water plummeting over sheer rock face. The roar of the falls is deafening, a testament to nature's raw power. Black bears roam these forests and bald eagles soar above, their keen eyes scanning the landscape. As the sun sets, casting long shadows across the mountains, we leave behind the Appalachian majesty, our senses filled with the sights and sounds of this remarkable wilderness. Our journey now takes us eastward towards the Atlantic coast, where Georgia's character transforms once more. Here the land slopes towards the sea, giving way to salt marshes, tidal creeks, and barrier islands. Our first stop is Cumberland Island, the largest of Georgia's barrier islands, accessible only by ferry. Wild horses roam freely amongst the dunes, their manes flowing in the sea breeze. On the beach, loggerhead sea turtles emerge from the surf to lay their eggs, a spectacle that has played out for millennia. Further south, we reach Sapelo Island, steeped in history and culture, home to the descendants of enslaved Africans. Our final destination is Jekyll Island, known for its pristine beaches and historic charm, a retreat for the wealthy elite. As the sun sets, casting a golden glow across the waves, we bid farewell to Georgia's coastal secrets, where the land meets the sea in a symphony of beauty and wonder. Our exploration now takes us deep into the heart of Georgia's southern region, to the Okefenokee Swamp. This vast wilderness, covering over 400,000 acres, is a labyrinth of waterways, cypress forests, and floating peat mats. As we glide silently through the still waters in a traditional pole boat, the air is thick with humidity and the sounds of life. Alligators bask in the sun, their prehistoric forms a reminder of the swamp's ancient origins. Herons and egrets wade patiently in the shallows, their long necks poised to strike at unsuspecting prey. Towering cypress trees, their bases submerged in water, create a cathedral-like atmosphere. Spanish moss drapes from the branches, giving the forest an ethereal quality. As we emerge from the swamp, blinking in the sunlight, we carry with us the memory of this extraordinary place, a reminder of the wild heart that beats at the center of Georgia. Leaving the Okefenokee behind, we journey northwards into the heart of Georgia's Piedmont region. This land of rolling hills, fertile valleys, and sparkling lakes offers a different perspective on the state's natural beauty. We begin at Stone Mountain, a monolith of granite rising dramatically from the landscape. At Tallulah Gorge State Park, the Tallulah River plunges through a chasm carved into the rock. The roar of the water is deafening as it cascades down 6 waterfalls. Next, we arrive at Lake Lanier, nestled amidst the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains. The Piedmont region is a patchwork of forests, farmland, and towns. Here we find fields of cotton, peanuts, and pecans stretching towards the horizon. As the sun dips below the horizon, we reflect on the Piedmont's unique charm. Georgia's natural beauty extends far beyond its iconic landmarks. Tucked away are hidden gems, its state parks and natural areas. Our first stop is Providence Canyon State Park, Georgia's little Grand Canyon. Erosion has sculpted colorful sediments into canyons, revealing geological history. Next, Cloudland Canyon State Park offers breathtaking views. Our journey continues to Red Top Mountain State Park. These parks showcase Georgia's diverse ecosystems. They provide sanctuary for wildlife and opportunities for recreation. Preserving these natural treasures is vital for future generations. Georgia's diverse landscapes provide a haven for a remarkable array of wildlife, from the mountains to the coast. This chapter celebrates the abundance and variety of creatures that call this state home. In the early morning mist, we venture into the forests, hoping to catch a glimpse of the elusive white-tailed deer. Along the banks of rivers and streams, we encounter the eastern box turtle, its shell a mosaic of colors. Our journey takes us to the coast, where we witness a spectacle of avian life. Flocks of coastal birds, their feathers catching the sunlight, take flight in unison, their calls echoing across the dunes. Overhead, a bald eagle soars effortlessly, its keen eyes scanning the ground below for prey. In the clear, flowing waters of the Chattahoochee River, trout dart amongst the rocks, a testament to the river's health and vitality. As we observe these creatures in their natural habitats, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of life that exists in Georgia's wild places. Our journey now follows the path of the Chattahoochee River, a vital artery that courses through the heart of Georgia. From its headwaters in the Blue Ridge Mountains to its confluence with the Flint River, forming the Apalachicola River, the Chattahoochee sustains a remarkable diversity of life and offers a wealth of recreational opportunities. We begin in the mountains, where the Chattahoochee is a youthful torrent, cascading over rocks and carving its way through steep valleys. As we move downstream, the river widens and slows, its banks lined with forests and fields. Here, the Chattahoochee becomes a place for reflection and relaxation, where anglers cast their lines into the water, hoping to hook a prized trout. Further south, the Chattahoochee flows past Atlanta, Georgia's bustling capital city. Parks and trails line the riverbanks, offering opportunities for hiking, biking, and simply enjoying the view. As we follow the Chattahoochee's flow, we witness its vital role in sustaining life, providing drinking water to millions, irrigating crops, and supporting a rich ecosystem. Flowing through the southwest portion of Georgia, the Flint River offers a different perspective on the state's natural beauty. Unlike the Chattahoochee, the Flint follows a more meandering path, its waters often stained a reddish-brown by the tannins leached from the surrounding swamps and forests. This is a river of hidden beauty, its banks lined with cypress trees draped in Spanish moss, their reflections shimmering in the still water. The Flint River Basin is a haven for wildlife, particularly for waterfowl. In the winter months, thousands of ducks and geese migrate to these wetlands, seeking refuge from the cold. The Flint River is also a paddler's paradise, ideal for canoeing and kayaking, offering a unique perspective on this often overlooked region. As we glide along the water, we feel a sense of peace and tranquility, surrounded by the sights and sounds of nature. Despite its beauty, the Flint River faces challenges. Efforts are underway to conserve this vital resource, ensuring that the Flint River continues to flow freely for generations to come. Georgia's climate, characterized by mild winters and hot, humid summers, contributes to its rich biodiversity and offers year-round opportunities to experience its natural beauty. Each season paints the landscape in a different light, revealing new facets of its charm. Spring arrives in a burst of color, transforming the state into a floral wonderland. Dogwood trees, their white and pink blossoms adorning the forests, signal the end of winter's reign. Wildflowers carpet the ground in a vibrant tapestry, attracting bees and butterflies with their sweet nectar. As summer's heat descends, Georgia's waterfalls and swimming holes offer a welcome respite. Families gather at lakes and rivers, seeking relief from the sweltering temperatures. Autumn in Georgia is a spectacle of color, with leaves transforming into a kaleidoscope of reds, oranges, and yellows. Even winter holds its own unique beauty, with the mountains offering opportunities for skiing and snowboarding. As the seasons turn, Georgia's natural beauty continues to captivate, offering something for everyone, no matter the time of year. As our journey through Georgia's natural wonders draws to a close, we are left with a profound appreciation for this remarkable state. From its majestic mountains to its tranquil coast, Georgia offers a wealth of experiences. For those seeking adventure, tranquility, or simply a chance to reconnect with the natural world. Whether you're exploring its hidden canyons, paddling its winding rivers, or marveling at its diverse wildlife, Georgia's natural beauty is sure to leave a lasting impression. So come and discover Georgia for yourself and experience the magic of this hidden gem in the heart of the southeastern United States.